Today I'm going to make a peanut butter and pickle sandwich. You told me to do it, remember? And I'm going to make it right now because I'm hungry. This should be easy to make. Fresh jar of crunchy peanut butter. Giant Mount Olive kosher dill pickles. I might only need one. Some nice white bread, if you like that. Whatever kind you like. And you know what else I'm going to do? See, I have butter here. Put that in the frying pan in the back. I'm going to heat it up. And I'm going to make a grilled peanut butter and pickle sandwich. Let me turn that frying pan on. Get that butter nice and hot. Might even butter the bread. What do you think of that? First of all, get pickle out. With my pickle fork. Come here! Woo! It's pickle week at the house here. I'm gonna cut these into about maybe 1/4-inch slices. I guess you could use the sliced pickles. I have a jar of bread and butter sliced already, but I've been looking forward to this. And I looked up on the internet about peanut butter and pickles when you told me about it. It seems to be a pretty famous recipe. Like of the Depression era times, you know? People would eat this for a snack or a meal. And it's supposed to be pretty good. Well, my butter's a little hard, but I wanted to butter the bread a little bit. Could put mayo on there too, you know? Alright, got a butter knife, got a peanut butter knife. You butter it up. Chunky style, you could use creamy style. You could put something else on here if you'd like. Let's peanut butter up the other side first. So we make our delicious sandwich. You making one with me? Join me. You can have a new taste sensation unless you enjoyed this already. There we go. Nice coat of peanut butter. Dill pickles. However you like them. Thick, thin. Look at that. Now I like to take a bite of it right there, like that, like a lot of people probably do, see? But I really want to fry it in the frying pan, I really do. I have some softer butter over here. I'll butter this a little better with the butter. I have some melted butter in the back there. Let's go to the frying pan real quick. All right, got a little peanut butter there too, that's all right. There's the frying pan, hope it didn't burn this butter too. Oh, that'll be all right. We want it brown. There we go. Brown that baby up, make it toasty. Turn the heat down, what are you doing? Put a little more fresh butter in there. Look at that. I had the heat too high. Get under there, get under there. Whoa, this is gonna be good. You could put some kind of seasoning on here maybe. Whoa, that's how I want it, look at it. Sriracha or something like that. What else will go good with peanut butter and pickles? It's gonna be so good. Fast and easy and crunchy and delicious. Peanut butter and pickly. Turn off the heat, let it sit there for a minute, and come over and take a bite. Check the other side. Oh, look at that. Doesn't it look good? You should smell it. Come over here, take a whiff, take a bite, take a taste. Try to cut it in half so you can see the inside. Hear my stomach growling? I hope so. Okay, I'm going to take a bite of it right now. Care to join me? Were you making one along with me? It smells really good. Smells like peanut butter and pickles. No, I never had this before. I really like it. It's warm, buttery, toasted. The peanut butter is melted in there. You got that salty peanut butter taste with the garlicky dill. like sweet and sour, almost. I guess it is, yeah. It's good. And you can make it without frying it. I might try that too for dessert. It goes down easier than like anything else with peanut butter, or just peanut butter sandwich. I like it. Fancy schmancy. All right, give this a try and please subscribe. Stop back for more fun. Thanks for suggesting this to me. I'll eat it again. I really like the idea of grilling it though. Better than raw. All right, have a nice day. Bye. See ya.